Hello everyone, welcome to Dhyan Jyoti Academy. So hello everyone, welcome to today's test. Today let us continue with the exercise 1.2. Here in the first main given for you is find the missing variable from A, D, N and An where A is the first term, D is the common difference and An is the nth term of an AP. So in this first question given for you is A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3 and N is equal to 8. It means that the unknown variable or the variable which is not present, you have to find it out. So here An is missing, so you have to find out An. To find out An, you should know what is the formula to find An. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So An is equal to, now substitute the values of A, D and N. A given for us is 7 plus D is 8 minus plus N minus 1 is 8 minus 1 into D given for us is 3. So An is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 into 3. An is equal to 7 plus 21. Therefore, what is the value of An? An value is 28. Second problem. Second question given for you is A is equal to minus 18, N is equal to 10 and An is given for you this time. An is equal to 0. So, which is missing here? D is missing. You should find out what is D. So, once again let us use the same formula. A plus N minus 1 D. So, An is 0. Substitute it as 0. A is minus 18. N value is 10 minus 1 here. D you have to find out. So, 0 is equal to minus 18. Let us first open the bracket. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into D is 9D. 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 9D. Let me transpose minus 18 towards LHS. So, 0 plus 18 will be plus 18 only. That is minus, when it is transposed to other side of equality, it becomes plus. Is equal to 9D. Therefore, 18 equal to 9D is as good as writing 9D is equal to 18. So, from here D value will be 18 by 9. 9 ones are 9 twos are 18. Therefore, what is the value of D? Value of D is 2. Third problem. So, in the third question, you are given with the D is equal to minus 3, N is equal to 18, An is equal to minus 5. So, what is missing here? A is missing. So, let us find out A. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. An is equal to, what is A? A you have to find out, plus N value is 18 minus 1, D value is minus 3. Also An value is given, children. Let me substitute it as minus 5 is equal to A plus 18 minus 1. What is 18 minus 1? 18 minus 1 is 17. 17 into minus 3. So, here 17 into minus 3 is given. Minus 5 will be equal to A. What is 17 3s? 17 3s is 51. But plus 17 into minus. So, plus into minus is always minus. 17 into 3 will be 51. Minus 5 is equal to A minus 51. So, from here I will transpose this 51 from RHS to LHS. It will be minus 5 plus 51 which is equal to A. So, minus 5 plus 51 gives us 46 is equal to A, or A is equal to 46. So, the next problem, that is fourth one. Fourth one given for us is A is equal to minus 18.9, D is equal to 2.5, A is equal to, An is equal to 3.6. You have to find out the value of N. So, once again let us substitute all the given terms in the formula. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. An is 3.6 which is equal to minus 18.9 plus N is not given, write it as it is, N minus 1 into D is 2.5. So 3.6 is equal to minus 18.9. So apply your distributive property. 2.5 into n will be 2.5 n plus into minus 1, that is minus 1 into plus 2.5 will be minus 2.5. So 3.6, let us take all the constants on one side. Minus will be now plus 18.9. This minus, when it is transposed, will be also plus 2.5, which is equal to 2.5 n. Now 3.6 plus 18.9 plus 2.5. What is the sum? So the sum here is 25.0, which is equal to 2.5 n. So what is the value of n? You have to find out. N will be equal to 25 divided by 2.5. So if you are well known with the shifting of the decimals, if I can shift this decimal here, then I have to add one 0 here. Therefore n value will be equal to 250 divided by 25. 25 ones are 25 tens are. So what is the value of n? N is 10. So the value of n is equal to 10. So the fifth problem, fifth sum in this given for you is a is equal to 3.5, d is equal to 0 and n is equal to 105. So what is missing here, children? Here an is missing. You have to find out what is an. So once again the formula of an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an will be equal to a, that is 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 into d, and d is 0. So any number when multiplied with 0, what do you get, children? If you simplify this also, it is good. If you don't simplify also, it is fine. Because anything multiplied with 0 will always be 0. You can write it as 104 into 0, or directly you can write it as 0. So an will be equal to 3.5 plus 0. Therefore, what is the value of an? An is equal to 3.5. Let us move on with the second main question. Here in second main question, you have choose the correct choice in the following and justify is given. So first question given for you here is 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4 is, that is you are given with the, so you are asked in this, that is the 30th term is asked of the AP. The AP series is given for you, that is 10, 7, 4 and so on is. They have given you some options like option A is 97, option B is 77, option C is minus 77 and option D is minus 87 for you. You have to find out the 30th term. Here you are given with A. A is 10. What is D? D will be equal to 7 minus 10, which is equal to minus 3. So 4 minus 7 is also minus 3. So the constant is same. D is minus 3. You have to find out 30th term, means you need to find out A 30. So the value of n is given for us, that is 30. Therefore from here an will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So once again substitute the values here. An means a 30 you have to find out. A is 10 plus n value given for us is 30 minus 1 into d value given. We have found that d value is minus 3. So therefore a 30 will be equal to 10 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into minus 3. So a 30 will be equal to 10 plus into minus is minus 29 into 3 gives us 87, which is equal to 10 minus 87, that is plus and minus to positive and a negative integer is given. Subtraction takes place from greater, that is from 87 you have to subtract 10. So answer will be 77, but 87 has which sign here? Minus sign. So answer will be minus 77. So which option is correct? Option C, minus 77 is the right answer. Here in the second main, the second sub question given for you here is minus 3, minus 1 by 2 and 2 is given for you. Here also you are given with the options, that is you have to find out here the 11th term. You are asked to find out the 11th term in the given AP, and options given for you here is 28. Option A 28, option B 22, option C minus 38 and option D minus 48 1 by 2. So let us find it out. What is the value of A? A is minus 3. What is D? D you have to find out. Minus 1 by 2 minus 3. So find out D from here. Minus 1 by 2. Minus into minus is plus 3. So D is equal to 2 is the LCM. Minus 1. 3 2s are 6. So it will be 5 by 2. D is 5 by 2. N is given for you as the 11. And you have to find out A11. 11th term, it means that you have to find out A11. So let us find A11 by using the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A11 will be equal to value of A is minus 3 plus value of N is 11 minus 1. D value given for us is, we have found the D value as 5 by 2. So it will be into 5 by 2. A11 will be equal to minus 3. 11 minus 1 is, here is plus, minus 3 plus, 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 into 5 by 2. Here children you can simplify. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So you will get A11 as minus 3 plus 5 into 5 is 25. So what is A11? A11 will be equal to 25 minus 3, that is 22. Plus 22 because 25 is greater and 25 has plus sign. Therefore, which option is correct? Option B is the right answer. That is the 11th term of the given AP is 22. So now in third main you are asked to find out, in the following APs find the missing terms. Missing terms, the first one given for you is 2, dash, 26 is given for you. So here you are given a blank here. You have to find out this term which is not given for you. So what do you know about the terms here? In an AP we know that the difference between the consecutive terms will be equal. So what shall we do here is, let the missing term, we will just assume a variable for the missing term. So let the missing term be x. If missing term is, if I substitute it here as x, then the difference between the consecutive terms should be equal. Therefore, x minus 2 should be equal to 26 minus x. From here you can find out what is the missing term. Let us bring all the variables on one side. So it will be x minus x. If it is transposed to LHS, it will be plus x, which is equal to 26. Minus 2 when it is transposed to RHS, it will be plus 2. So here it will be 2x equal to 26 plus 2 is 28. Therefore, from here x is equal to 28 divided by 2. When we transpose the multiples from LHS to RHS, it goes for the denominator. Therefore, what is the value of x? On simplification, 2 1s are 2 into 14 gives us 28. Therefore, x value is 14. If you want, you can just check your answer. 14 minus 2 will be, yes, 12. 26 minus 14 will give you 12. Therefore, the value, that is the missing term, is 14. So, the second question given for you here is dash, 13, dash, 3. Means two missing terms are being given for you. So, let us take the missing terms. Let the missing terms be x and y. You cannot take both as the same variable, otherwise you have to get both the variables as same terms there, same numbers. So which is not possible. If it is an AP, then it is not possible. Therefore, now what will be the sequence? The sequence is x, the missing term, comma 13, comma another missing term y, comma 3. So from here let us find out. So you can take these terms because you have two terms here. X, you will, if you take x 13 minus x, then y minus 13, it should be equivalent to y minus 13. So if you take in such manner, then both the sides you will get the different variables. From there you will not be able to solve it properly. So we can take these three terms, that is we can take a2, a3 and a4. So a2, a3, a4 if we take, it should be a3 minus a2 should be equal to a4 minus a3. So if these two are equal, so when we equate these two, then the constant should be same if it is an AP. Therefore now transposing y term from RHS to LHS, it will be plus y, which is equal to 3, and minus 13 when it is transposed from LHS to RHS, it will be plus 13. So 2y will be equal to 3 plus 13 is 16. Y is equal to 16 by 2. Therefore y is equal to 2 1s are 2 8s are, y value is 8. Now here, so we get y value as 8. So now the sequence, let me write once again for you. X, 13, 8 and 3. Now using this 8 we can find out what is x. How to find out x? 13 minus x should be equal to 8 minus 13. So once again the difference between the consecutive terms. Therefore 13 minus x, let me keep this 13 minus x as it is for time being. Let us solve this. 8 minus 13. What is 8 minus 13? So 8 minus 13 will be minus 5 because 13 is greater, so it will carry minus sign. Now I will transpose the terms. How will I transpose the terms? 13 I will keep it as it is. Minus 5 from RHS I will transpose to LHS, it will be plus 5. And minus x from LHS I will transpose to RHS, it will be plus x. So 13 plus 5 is 18, which is equal to x. It means the value of x is 18. So the missing terms or the sequence formed here will be 18, 13, 8, 3. So this is the required sequence. If you like the video, press the like button, share it and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.